Lewis, and he's out here making tacos great again with his. Is it K24 in this thing?
Yeah, Honda K24. We're on a 62 millimeter turbo, precision 6266 right now.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about that motor.
It's a straight K24. It's got piston rods, mainly turbo tufts. No port work, nothing. Stock cams. It just seems to work. It's simple.
That's nuts, man. I never thought I'd see the day that somebody put a K24 in a Toyota Tacoma.
Yeah, we're right now we're sitting number 1 in True Street, so it seems to be working pretty well.
Oh my God, dude! Well, congratulations, man. What's your goal for this week? Like, do you have like a number you want to run, or you just want to win this class?
I'm already a winner. I won 820. I mean, when I built this thing, I thought I was going to go like 870. I did 850 at the best, and like we went out and testing and went 827. Then we backed it up with an 825, then 822. And it rolls out. It's going great.
Well, I had to come over and check it out. Thanks for telling me about it, and best of luck to you this week.
Thanks.
And we got another guy out here making tacos great. You put a 2J in this one, right?
Yes.
Well, I think last year at this event, this was still fairly
It was
new build.
yeah. We put a Turbo 400 in it, and it was still a 400 from Drag Week, and went out there and wheelied again. It did okay. I think we went, when testing, we went 821, which was good, and then I ended up losing this like 190 mile an hour Civic. I think it went 840 or something, so I lost first round. But this year I stepped down back to True Street. It's a little bit easier of a class to, the bump spot in True Street is probably like 950, where Super Street's going to be an 840 or faster. So just to kind of, get to work out some bugs.
Right.
It was tempting to run that class because it was 300 pounds lighter with the same setup. But I kind of planned on True Street all year, so we stuck with the plan and ran with 8.
Well, best of luck to you guys as always. And
thank you.
It's just cool to see you guys putting these ridiculous motors in these trucks.
Yeah.
You're making tacos great.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, cool. Good luck.
Thanks.
I thought he let out for a second.
I gotta tighten up my limiting straps.
Who thought a pair of tacos would come run a train on True Street this year?
Not anybody.
Not even you?
Not really. These are the underdogs.
Yeah.
817. I love it that you guys are motivating each other.
Oh, that's great.
Final two, hopefully.
We're trying to go to the finals, me and him.
Hell yeah.
I tuned his car though, so he might not get it all.
Hey, if anybody sees us on Facebook, he said he was the captain in that last post.
Ooh,
I'm the captain now.
that's right. Jeez.
Yes! Wow! Oh my God! 812! 812 for the big 3-4 cargo truck!
Are you going to the final?
Going to the finals,
You going to the
man.
final?
Absolutely.
Ooh. Everything working pretty good?
Everything seems
Well,
good.
really good.
Yeah, it felt good. It didn't even. My 820 pass felt faster than that last pass.
Really?
Chris Bolin was down at the scales. He handed me the slip. He's like, dude, it's 812. I was like, what?
Yeah, 812.
I couldn't imagine.
Is that the
it being
quickest
fast.
pass in the class now?
Yeah. Last it was a 817. I did that last pass, and then this pass I went 812. So yeah.
And you're going to the final.
Yeah, going to the finals.
Badass. It's gonna be a good race.
Yep. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks. We won.
Hell yeah. A Tacoma.
Yeah. Who would have thought it?
Hell yeah. Good racing.
George Parker,
excited.
need you back, please. George Parker, your
That last
only
pass
car.
was scary.
Oh, dude, it was wild, but I didn't know where it was at. I wasn't, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got cold cuts for everybody. Look, that thing, they threw it in my truck. I sat on it. I rode it down the track the whole way.
You were sitting on.
I was sitting on a cold cut the whole way from Wawa.
It's better than a taco. At least.
Oh yeah, they should have put a taco in there for me.
Oh man. Congrats, man.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Congrats to you. You had a hell of a weekend too. Team Tacoma. Oh dang.
Good luck.
That's right. Good luck, Bird. Oh Jesus.